Welcome back to another What's Inside video. Today is gonna be a little different. This is something that you guys have been asking for a year and a half for us to do, and I haven't done it because I kind of know what's inside of it, I think. But today is the day. We are in Akihabara, which is in Japan, in Tokyo, Japan, where we have been on the hunt the entire day for squishies. We found lots and lots of squishies. We're gonna see what's inside of a Japanese squishy, or just what's inside a squishy. And we're not just gonna see what's inside, we're gonna see what's inside the expensive ones versus the not expensive ones. You can see the whole madness of our entire day on our family channel. We'll put a link in the description, but it's squishy time.
They're so squishy!
Alright, these squishies have been purchased. We have them from 2 stores. I would recommend not going inside of the store except to purchase them, or it's not really family friendly or kid friendly. Luckily, they have a purchase counter right when you walk in, so you can pay for it right there and get out of there. The mystery that everybody's been wondering about for years. Are you excited, London?
No, I don't want you to cut open awesome squishies.
So here we are on our roof of our hotel, or our Airbnb that we've been staying at for the last week. You can see all that on our family.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at that one.
This is not a baguette. This
is a
is
fake baguette. It's a squishy.
a squishy.
Squishy. And this is not a cake.
This is the only squishy that Lincoln actually got. We went to a few different stores and we learned some things about different squishies. The best ones come from Japan, so we went on an all-day hunt yesterday to find squishies. These are just some of them. You can see the rest of them on our unboxing in the next day or 2 on our family channel, so make sure you subscribe to that. We're gonna cut open three squishies.
3.
This one right here, this one has butter on the top. It's kind of stinky. But this one right here,
I think most squishies are stinky. Only like one has.
But you still like them. People think that these are therapeutic because of the smell and because they can just squeeze them and it comes back so nicely, kind of like a stress ball. So this is one that we got from the really nice store. They are not all made the same. It was like $25 or something crazy for this guy. And at first I thought that's a big ripoff. But when you squeeze it, it squeezes and it takes forever to bounce back, and it feels really nice in your hands. And it does have a better smell than the cheaper ones. You can see this little bump in his bottom. No, that is not a fingerprint from somebody pushing it. It actually doesn't have as much foam right there, so the air can get in and out easier. So it must have some sort of air pockets inside, because it's a slow riser and it squeezes so much more easily.
And we got this one for much cheaper. How much was it?
It was probably like a couple dollars.
A couple dollars for this. And it just doesn't feel as nice. Like, when you squeeze it, watch how fast it bounces back.
Let's do it at the same time.
You
squeeze it, both hands.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. Look at that, that's already back. This guy's still going. So there's a big difference between these two, and so we figured today we're gonna cut open the nice one and the expensive one versus the cheap one.
It kind of looks like syrup, doesn't it?
Kinda does. All right, kitty cat. Okay, here we go. We're getting into the nice one.
I bet you can just rip that apart now.
He just keeps wanting to bounce back because he's a fighter. We've cut his face. Cutting squishies is not as fun as squeezing it.
No. Squeezing it's awesome.
Oh, it does cut interestingly well though. It just reminds me of like bread dough that is really doughy, that's not cooked all the way. Mr. Butter Kitty.
Whoa!
There he is inside.
It looks like a sponge.
There definitely are a lot of air pockets inside of this thing. Here's the little hole. Let's see if we can figure out what that looks like actually. The hole that helps it get the air out.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Huh. I mean, it's just a little indention. That's it.
It feels really nice on the outside, like you just want to squish it, but on the inside it's like spongy.
Okay, so this is the expensive one. Now we need to compare it to the cheap one. Lincoln, strawberry, bring it. So put it back together. He's like, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. I'm sad. Here we go.
Oh, you said good.
Oh,
What? Oh, that looks cool.
it's got a big old section out of it. Lincoln, you tear it open. I don't think you'll get injured from it. Oh, you did it! Yeah! When you compare the two, it's interesting because this one does have a lot of air bubbles. I thought that would mean that it would be more quality, but apparently this one that doesn't have as many air bubbles is better quality. So the easy answer of what's inside of Squishies, it's just polyurethane, it's just foam. Maybe they have different formulas for the expensive ones versus the cheap ones, the ones that bounce back.
How much can it? What? Oh!
I'm through it, but nothing is coming out. Maybe it's just because all the liquid's over there in that pocket.
Oh! Oh no.
Oh, I got the camera woman. I'm sure she's happy about that. It smells like the rubber water. It smells like the outside water is inside of this guy. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you like the ones that are cheaper, that bounce back super quick? Or do you like these ones that really, really do squish and take forever to bounce back?
I like these ones because they feel higher.
I wasn't
quality
asking you,
too.
Lincoln. I was asking everybody over here.
You're gonna get strawberried.
That's the randomness of this channel. Some weeks we're gonna have random toys and some weeks we're gonna have really cool electronics. So
Well, these are really cool.
Lincoln really likes them. There's one of our global edition main channel videos. What's inside of a squishy?
Global edition.
Global edition. We have a whole
Woohoo!
playlist of global edition stuff from around the world that we've done. Hope that you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.